Good morning, everyone. Do you notice these things? When you read books, that time you understand. When you watch any video clip or English movie, that time you understand the all video or all movie. And after doing all things, whenever you want to speak English language, so that time you are feel uncomfortable, you don't have a confidence for speaking English language. So if you want to solve this problem, so this video for you. In this video I will discuss about this topic. So before going through the video, if you are new in our video, please subscribe our channel for learning English tools. Every single day we are consuming English, we are reading, and either we are listening English content. But when is the time of creating English, so we are not doing that things. So this is the main reason, because we are filling ourselves with English, but we are not outing English language from our mouth. So, what should I do for solving this problem? First, take a notebook and try to write your thoughts. Try to write your daily routine and try to speak also. Write one sentence and spell this sentence. Maybe ask to yourself, what did I eat today? Right. And give right also answer. I have taken banana in my breakfast. And also after writing, pronounce this sentence. You can write your habits, whatever was new in your home. With whom did you call today? With whom did you meet today? What happened in daily life? So you can write all things. So in this way, when you will write and also you will speak, so that's mean you are creating English. Second, it was our writing part. By writing, we can also create English. And second, for speaking more, what can I do for become a fluent speaker, for improve my English in quickly? So we also read mostly silently. But from today, don't read silently. Try to read loudly as much as possible for you. Because when we will read loudly, that time we'll have our muscle practice. And we will have an idea, because when suddenly we try to pronounce one word, so that time we also sometime notice flip our tongue, slip our tongue. We can't use this word properly, and after one time, three times, we are able to use this word properly. So when don't read only for reading part, but choose a paragraph and read this paragraph as like means the sentences means Ram go to school. It is a one sentence, but you can read as like Ram goes to school. So that's mean when you will read loudly, so you will have an idea how to speak, and read one paragraph again and again and with breaking style. Means don't pronounce the sentences one time. Break after use pause after two word or three word and again start. So in this way you will create your understanding, you will increase your understanding, and also you will have an interest for reading. Sometimes we are reading, but after a time when we ask to ourselves from my page, what did I learn? So that time nothing in our brain. Why? Because we read only for reading, not learning anything. So from today, stop reading As like means you are reading just. No, you are reading for improving your English, and you are trying to create English, and that's mean you are, you read as like means you are teaching someone. Read as like means you are teaching someone. When you will use this technique, so automatically you will learn lot of things, because it is proved. Means whenever you read for yourself, you can't remember these things for a long time. But when you teach someone same topic, so that time you can remember this topic for a long time, because now you have a proper intention, means I have to make understand him. So use reading in this process. Third means shadowing technique. What do you mean by shadowing technique? It is mean go through the YouTube and there choose a native speaker. He is a good speaker and he speaks well. You understand his every words, and you also like him. So choose one video clip, and after watching online, pause this video and speak in a same tonality, and use same impression, use same voice accent. So when you will do it, so you will learn accent, you will learn a native tone, and you will improve your speaking. So fourth, so nowadays we also have a facility of AI. Many more AI also available. So go through the AI, and there you can ask, and you can go through the spoken part. Means you can practice with them. This facility also available in ChatGPT also, Gemini also. Whatever is easy for you, you can practice. When you will practice, during your practice, maybe you will use wrong sentence, so AI will correct you. You will use wrong grammar, so AI will correct you. Sometimes you will not able to frame this sentence for explaining this situation and this thought. AI will help you. And fifth, I also want to tell you a good method. This method also helped me, and by this method, you can also improve your English communication. What is this? This is means nowadays many more spoken app also available, and they are also free mode, and you don't need to pay any single rupee there. Just you have to download this app, and through this app you can practice. So in this occasion, I also recommend for you Peer app. I also use personally every single day whenever I have a time. So that time I can use this app. It is totally freely, and when you are free, that time you can use. How much time do you have? You can practice according to your time. So this app 24-hour, and there is no time limit. You can use how many time do you want. So the summary of this video means, if you want to become a fluent speaker, if you want to become a speaker, that's mean you have to speak a lot. By your silence, you can become a speaker. Maybe you can become an understand of English language, but you can't become a speaker English. So when you will use more way for speaking, automatically your mouth will have an idea how to practice. You will have a content, you will have a more knowledge. So in this and the last part, I just want to say you speak a lot if you want to become a speaker. There is no any shortcut, there is no another way become a fluent speaker. So I hope this video was enjoyable for you.